any kind of flat seaweed. Come like this.
Yep.
And if you're gonna make a California roll, cut the half. Cut the half. Okay? And you need a Sushi Imitation Crab cream cheese.
The cream cheese, if you put it first in the freezer for about an hour, it'll be easier to stay firm while you use it. Fresh hot rice. And in there we're going to put some Sushinoko.
Sushi vinegar powder.
Yes. It's like pouring sugar all over it.
Yeah.
But it's actually vinegar powder.
Don't put the face closed, make you cold.
Take your breath away.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, mush. Chili right here. And put the rice right here. In the wet. And then put in here. And make.
A flat layer.
Yes, that's
Smooth
right.
flat layer. Ooh, you still smell the vinegar. Sprinkle on some roasted sesame seeds. Okay, saran wrap over the top.
The whole of the corner, two corner, and flip over. And put the chili gumbo in here.
And that's how you end up getting the rice on the outside.
And put the imitation crab. And put the cream of cheese.
You have one of the bamboo rollers that helps, just to keep it together.
And the roll it. And the squeeze. That's it. Cut. Rice steak make with that.
Quick and easy California roll. And the finished product. Even if you don't think it came out perfect, it still tastes delicious. California roll. Kiyoko's Kitchen.